today we are doing another Try It Out Tuesday. So for this Try It Out Tuesday, we are going to be doing some decouped candles, aka decoupage candles, and we're going to be making candle holders to go with it. So both of the things that, okay, so the candles, I'm going to link below the blog post that I saw on Pinterest, and then for the candle holders, I'm going to link the video from where I got that idea from as well. So anyways, let's get into the materials. So materials that we're going to be using are these little pottery what you put your plants in, the bottom. Oh my god, I can't think of the name right now. But anyways, we're going to be using these. I got two of the smaller ones. These came from A.C Moore for 99 cents a piece. And then I got a little bit bigger ones than the small ones there, and these were $1.49. I got 4 of these, and then I got these little candle holders. They were $1.49 as well, and I don't know if I've held these up yet, but these are the LED lights. I got them from the dollar store, $1 a piece. I really wish that the Dollar Tree kind of sold the taller ones too, but they don't. They just sell like just one size. And then, of course, we got our Mod Podge glue and our scrapbook paper. So at Micheal's, they were having a sale. You can get 7 of them for $1. So why pay 69 cents for 2 of them each when you can get 7 for $1? Yeah. So then you're going to need just any old chalk paint, whatever color that you want to paint your candle holders. And then your sponge brushes. E6000 glue for putting our candle holders together, some scissors, and these are things that I already had, like chicken wire. We might use this, and then of course our twine again. We might use this stuff, and I think that's it. So let's get started. So I'm not all the way up here. I'm gonna bring the candle back just maybe 1/10 of an inch, or yeah. And that way we'll be able to cut out and still have like the design at the top. So we got our candle holders drying. We have cut our sheets of paper, and now what we are going to do is we are going to start to do the decouping process. So we're going to start doing the decoupage on the candles. So what you're going to need is a container. It could be small, large. I like to get this long one because you never know how long you need your paper to be. So just enough to where it can fit inside of the container. So we're going to fill this with water. And then all you're going to need now is your Mod Podge glue and your brush to brush on the glue. So let's do it. Cleaned up those edges at the top. It's okay if they kind of come over the candle just a little bit. You just don't want it in the candle because then that looks funny. But it's not like anyone's gonna go, oh wow, what's that in your candle, huh? No. Okay. So anyway, now let's get started with kind of decorating these candles. So we're all done. We have our two decouped candles, and then we have both of our candle holders that we made, and then we have this little small one. So now, as always, I'm going to style them, take some pictures, and let you guys see like the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and now you know how to decoupage candles, make your own candle holders, just to make some cute little home decor in your house. So as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be like in the know when I upload videos. I will see you guys in my next Try It Out Tuesdays, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.